Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the parental control password on your PS4. So what we want to do is hold down the PlayStation button, go to power, and then go to turn off PS4 right here. And we're going to launch this into the safe mode menu. So when this turns off our PS4, we want to hold down the power button. So you can see my PS4, the light is blinking. Plug your controller in with a cable, a USB cable just like this, so we can operate the safe mode menu. So when this light stops blinking now, hold down the power button and then we can launch it into the safe mode menu. So hold this down now, the light stops blinking, you'll hear one beep initially, and then about 10 seconds later you will hear a second beep. Then go ahead and let go when you hear that beep. And you can see my controller is plugged in with the USB cable. Now if we go up to the top, it's going to say we have to press the PlayStation button on the controller to operate the safe mode menu. Now what we want to do under this screen is to go down to option number 4, restore default settings. This will return the default values to the original on the PS4. Now this shouldn't delete any of your data, but you're going to be logged out of your PS4 account. So you're going to need to know the email address and password to log back in. But this should reset all your settings back to the default, including the parental controls password, which should now be 0000 to log back into your parental control. So just go ahead and do this, and then you should be good to go. And you don't have to initialize your PS4. And your game should be on here and you should be good to go. Just log back in. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.